coming to Airsoftcon. Are you?
Hey friends, it's Unicorn Leah, and I'm going to Airsoftcon. Are you?
Hey, it's Jet Desert Fox, and I'll be at Airsoftcon. Are you?
Fuck. Oh, that one was bad.
Being awarded the fastest time at the time. They will stop taking contestants for that at one.
That burned.
If you rub it, it gives you American powers.
I don't feel it yet.
Oh yeah. There we go. That's how you get it.
Oh yeah. Dude, I'm so patriotic now.
I am patriotic. Look at this. That's America for you right there.
Oh shit, where'd you get that one?
Somebody put it on the trading wall.
So it's like, you know, take your total budget, right? It's like, you could blow that all in one day, or you can spread that.
My last poster, I didn't even see it get taken.
Fuck you, bitch. You broke my heart.
I don't know if I'm recording or not. It's like blinking.
Oh, there's no blinking.
I think it's on because I just turned it on. I don't know, I'll find out once I look at the footage.
You seem familiar. I don't know where you're from though.
I don't know either. Oh yeah. There you go.
Why are you up there?
Huh?
Why are you up there?
I'm not a celebrity, man.
Yes, you are. What are you talking about?
The M on the mountain, on that mountain up there, stands for Mario. Fucking bitch, dude. Why should I fucking do it? Do not say it. Don't say it.
Why?
Just don't say it.
Why not? Why not?
Because I'm oh my fucking god.
Dang. I gotta take a dump.
You gotta take a Mondo, dude.
Yeah, dude. I gotta take a dump.
You gotta take a Mondo, dude.
I gotta take a big YouTuber shit. Dude, is that the Crytek Chris Vector?
It's the Crytek Chris Vector.
Dude,
Do you want insurance on this?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh my god, the Vector. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's just the way I imagined it to look, dude. I can't at the moment, but I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, of course, man.
Take care, man.
Hey, man. What's up, man? Sorry. That's a cool camera.
What's up, dude? Dude, yeah, I'm actually more starstruck than you are. What the fuck? Dude, how tall are you? Are you on the uphill? Fuck this.
I'm 6'2". I'm 6'2".
Are you 6'2"?
Uh-huh.
I'll make you look the same height. It's cool.
Dude, look, all that noise, call that sweat, the water boys.
Alright, there we go.
Oh, and I got something. There you go, man.
Oh, hell yes.
There we go.
I don't have a lot of patch space.
Right here?
Will it fit?
Hold on, I'll have to adjust it a little bit.
Oh. Just actually take it with yours and send it to me. Take it with yours and send it to me.
For a reason. Oh my gosh. Fuck.
Hey, can I interview you three real fast?
Yeah, of course.
So, I know you guys have a lot of different airsoft guns that you play with. What is your favorite out of all of them?
Gun?
Yes, favorite airsoft gun.
Definitely the DMR from Umbrella Armory. That's the DMR.
My favorite airsoft gun has got to be the Thoughty Killer 74U by E&L. It's great for entering vehicles with, it's awesome for music videos or diss tracks, and it does a phenomenal job of disposing the thoughties on the field.
This gets super cool.
Oh,
I
dude.
want to use that.
That thing rips.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
She wants the best selfie with me and you.
That's so sick.
Yeah, man.
When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I'd...
Oh, that's gonna
We're gonna do a pistol case, a pistol, and a speedy loader, and a propane adapter.
Oh shit!
And that's how they lost the game.
Whatever. I got the price of such, block of bitches come. I got
Never mind.
Hey, we won and we wasted time, boys.
Beautiful man.
Thank you, man.
Were you recording that?
Yeah.
No.
And that's game.
Yeah, buddy! I got you, man!
Gay!
Their attention.
Hey, Milton! Stop! As I'm wearing pride.
Dude, there's real cries.
Dude. Navy SEAL dude.
Oh my god.
Gay!